Got the EVATRONIC jump starter and power bank. Here you have LED readout, 2 USB ports for charging phone and other tablet devices. Here you have the input USB to USB-C charging port, and here engine start for the cables. Power button, flashlight. Nice, stylish, and sturdy case. The unit stores here in the case. The cables go here. All zips up and fits right in there. You get the USB-C to USB cable for charging the unit, and you get the jump start cables for your car. This is the box that it comes in. This is the case. Here is the unit. You have how-to instructions, which are easy to set up, easy to use, power when you need it. Very good addition to your emergency kit car collection. Very, very good. Highly recommended. It's a good value for your money, and it makes a great gift for all occasions.